Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect Brother printer to iPad instant fix step by step clearly. To connect your Brother printer to your iPad, start by ensuring your printer is turned on. Next, make sure your iPad is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Brother printer. Open the App Store on your iPad. Search for the Brother iPrint and Scan app. Download and install the app on your iPad. Once the app is installed, open it. The app will automatically search for available Brother printers on the network. Select your Brother printer from the list of found devices. If prompted, allow the app to access your local network. Now, you can start printing directly from your iPad. To print a document, open the file or image you want to print. Tap on the share icon, usually represented by a square with an upward arrow. Scroll down and select the option that says Print. Choose your Brother printer from the list. Adjust any print settings as necessary, like the number of copies or paper size. Finally, tap Print to send your document to the printer. Your Brother printer will now begin printing. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your printer and iPad are still on the same network. You can also try restarting both the printer and iPad if the connection fails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.